Having completed the circle safety check, proceed to the water filling station. To fill the Olympia with ice-making water, first open the hot water valve at the water fill station. The water will flow through the pipe to the solenoid switch water control valve. Place the water hose in the hot water tank pipe located on the driver's side of the Olympia Millennium E. Now, plug the water system control cord into the receptacle on the side of the driver's seat. Turn the switch to half or full depending on the number of ice surfaces to be resurfaced at that time, and the switch will light up. We recommend you half fill the tank for a single resurfacing. If you are doing more than one resurfacing in a row, turn the switch to the full position. When the water has reached the selected level, the sensor inside the water tank will trigger the solenoid valve, shutting off the water and turning off the light on the switch. Turn the switch to the off position. Unplug the water system control cord from the Olympia and then remove the water hose from the machine and return it to the water station rack. Now turn off the hot water valve on the water station. To fill the wash water tank, turn the cold water valve on the water station to the on position. Now, place the water hose in the cold water pipe on the right side of the Olympia. Connect the water system control cord to the receptacle on the side of the Olympia Millennium E and turn the switch to the on position. The switch will light up. When the tank is full, the light will go off. Turn the switch to the off position. Unplug the water control system cord and remove the water hose and return it to the water station. Now, turn off the cold water at the water station. The water station also has a manual override water valve, which allows you to use water for other purposes. Prior to leaving the water filling station, make sure the flood towel is clean and in the proper position on the conditioner. Check the conditioner blade each and every time before you go out onto the ice. Always start from the back and slide your hand along the runners to the front, ensuring the blade is in the proper place slightly above the runner and there are no burrs on the runners. Remount the Olympia. Release the parking brake. Depress the accelerator lightly, which will start the hydraulic pumps. Now shift into gear and drive to the ice surface. When you shift into reverse, the backup alarm will sound. Always sound the horn before entering any area where pedestrian traffic could be. Drive onto the ice surface. Lower the conditioner while moving forward by pushing and holding the conditioner toggle switch down until the conditioner is all the way down. You will both hear and feel the conditioner as it is fully extended. Drive forward diagonally across the ice and observe the ice to ensure you are getting a 3-inch feather from the blade. As you approach the dasher boards, turn on the elevator by pushing the elevator toggle switch down to the on position. Now engage the board brush by pushing the board brush toggle switch down. The brush will extend down and outward. Now turn on the wash water by pushing the wash water toggle switch down to the on position. The water will start to flow and 8 seconds later the pump will start automatically. Now turn the speed-related water on by pushing the speed-related water button. The ice-making water volume will be controlled automatically by the speed you are driving. If you are using a manual ice-making water system, open the manual water valve by turning the handle in front of the conditioner tower counterclockwise. Keeping the board brush next to the dasher boards, drive a complete lap around the ice surface. To retract the board brush, lift and hold the board brush toggle switch up to the in position. Drive your normal circuit to complete the ice-making pattern. When you are done and ready to leave the ice surface, to avoid leaving a puddle of water and slush behind you as you exit the surface, follow these procedures. On your last pass, 3/4 of the way from finishing, or at center ice driving away from the gate, turn off the wash water by lifting the wash water toggle switch up to the off position, then releasing. The wash water will be used up during the remainder of the time you are on the ice before you lift the conditioner upon exiting the ice surface. When using a speed-related ice-making water system, 10 feet or 3 meters from the exit, turn the speed-related water system off by pushing the speed-related water button. If you are using the manual ice-making water system, then as you approach the exit, turn the ice-making water control handle on the conditioner tower clockwise to the off position. Turn your augers off by pushing the elevator toggle switch up to the off position, then release. As you exit, sound your horn and drive the front wheels off the ice. Then stop completely while the rear wheels of the Olympia Millennium E are still on the ice. Now, push the conditioner toggle switch up to raise the conditioner. Once the conditioner is fully raised, depress the accelerator and drive off the ice, sounding the horn where there could be pedestrian traffic. Safety note: if the height of the exit is more than 3 inches off the ice, it is important to stop and lift the conditioner before the front wheels exit the ice. Drive to the inside snow dumping area. Check the clearance and then bring the Olympia Millennium E to a complete stop. Shift into neutral and depress the brake or engage the handbrake by raising it. Lift the snow dump toggle switch up and the snow bin will extend to full height while gravity empties the bin. If you are dumping outside the facility, make sure you use the tire wash system by pushing and holding the tire wash button as you re-enter the facility. Drive to your resurfacer room. Come to a complete stop, put the machine into neutral, lift the snow dump toggle switch up to raise the snow bin. Engage the handbrake and then turn off the ignition key and put it in your pocket. Dismount the machine using the 3-point procedure. Remove the safety pin on the hydraulic lift arm and place the safety bar in position, inserting the pin to make sure it remains in place. Log the power remaining on the meter in the dash. Once a month, you should test the emergency hand pump system located under the driver's seat. Lower the conditioner. Turn the Olympia off and dismount using the 3-point procedure. Open the door and remove the jack handle. Locate the emergency hand pump switch inside the seat box and push the button to the hand pump position. Insert the handle and pump it all the way up and down. The conditioner will rise. Once the conditioner is in the up position, stop pumping. If you continue pumping, the snow bin will begin to rise. Return the handle to its storage under the driver's seat and push the button to the drive position. Caution: never leave the emergency hand pump switch in the hand pump position as it may damage the solenoids. Also, the emergency hand pump system will only raise, not lower the conditioner and the snow bin. The Olympia is designed with you, the end user, in mind. By following these basic procedures, you will find that operating the Olympia is safe, easy, and trouble-free.